it's right. Found it on this course, I will make it. I will find a way, even if it's pouring, I won't take it all for you. I don't make promises I won't keep. No leap on ocean that's too wide or too deep. But baby, you know I keep fighting, riding, climbing till the day I see you. I see you. I can't lie, can't hide it, deny how much I need you. Till the day I see you. Till the day I see you, baby. Till the day I keep fighting. Till the day I see you. I'll jump on a train, drive 'em switching lanes, I'll come crashing. No matter what it costs to find you, I won't be far behind you. You're my passion, yes you are. I don't make promises I won't keep. Oh no, no leap ocean that's too wide or too deep. Baby, you know I keep fighting, riding, climbing till the day I see you. I see you. I can't lie, can't hide it, deny how much I need you. Till the day I see you. Till the day I see you, baby. Till the day I see you. Maybe you got it.
Jackson. Take it all up, let me block the rain for you. In this every moment, let me go through all the pain for you. Let me be the one to make you smile, overcoming all the fear. Let me be the wiping all your tears for you. Not a problem where you at, yeah, yeah. Starting from the place you land, yeah, yeah. Holding on you by your side, let us ride till the end. Keeping all the promise, I gon' make it all for you. Write and rap like poems, let me read it next to you. You the gift from heaven, that is in my point of view. Let me prove that love lasts forever. If anybody bring me lifetime contract, I'm the side of you. Let the ranger hit my face, let the thunder strike. Let me be the dark knight, let me go to fight. Let me suffer all the pain, I know all the worst things happen because they call it the lucky rain.
I don't make promises I won't keep. I won't keep. No leap ocean that's too wide or too deep. Baby, you know I keep riding till the day I see you. Till the day I see you. I can't lie, how much I need you.
No matter what, I won't let you go.
Till
No
the
matter
day
what, I won't let you go, girl.